What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Techademics, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload Instagram photos straight from your Windows 10 PC, or if you're using a Mac you can upload it from there. So the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and you want to type in Grambler just like so, and it will be the top link. It will say grambler.com. There will also be a link in the description to this website. Now it will look like this and it does look a bit outdated, and that's because it is a bit old, but basically it's showing you what you have to do here. This is the app. So what you want to do is either download it for Windows or Mac. So in this case I'm going to download it for Windows, and it's basically going to download an archive file. So you're going to save that to your computer. Now if you don't have any archiving software, you can view all of my previous videos on how to download 7-zip or WinRAR. Yet again, I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, so once you've downloaded the file, it will look like this. So in this case I'm using WinRAR, so that's why it looks like the WinRAR icon. I'm going to right click and click extract here, and it's basically going to extract the exe file. So it's a straight program, you don't need to install anything, all you need to do is run it, as you can see from here. So I'm going to do just that right now. Okay, so you're going to be greeted with a page that looks like this. In this case you need to create a Grambler account, and then you need to link that with your Instagram account. So if it doesn't look like this, and then you want to click sign up, and it's basically going to look like this. So this is where you create your Grambler account, and then you link your Instagram account with this section below. So I've already done this, so I'm going to click login now, and I'm going to sign into my Instagram account right now. Okay, so once you've signed in, it's going to look like this, and it's going to give you a number of options. So because this is quite old, it does allow you to do some dodgy stuff like buy some coins, and that way you can buy some likes and followers, but we're not interested in any of that. All we want to do really is upload onto our account. So all we need to do is either drag and drop a file onto here, or we just click on the file and it's going to give me some photos to upload. So in this case I'm going to upload one of my photos for this current video, so I'm going to click open, and then what you can do is just upload it straight to Instagram, sorry, just like this, or you can sort of mess around with it by like clicking and highlighting what part of the image you want to upload only. So I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to click save again. Here you can change the filters on it, and then this is where you put in your captions. So what you want to do is put in your captions and then put your hashtags, and then you want to click send. Now what this is going to do is upload it to Instagram. So I'm going to quickly show you now that it has actually been uploaded to Instagram, but just before I do that, you can actually look at what images you've uploaded to Instagram previously by going on to history. And as you can see, I've used this program before to upload one image. So that was the image, the one at the top we've just used, and this is the one I used before, which is how to download WinRAR, as I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to show you on my Instagram account that it has actually uploaded. Okay, so I've just loaded my Instagram account up. As you see, I'm on my Techademics, and just now, 33 seconds ago, this image has just been uploaded. And basically that is all you need to do to upload to Instagram from your Windows PC. It's really easy, and like I say, it doesn't require any payments or nothing. Just download a program and upload from there. So if this was useful, please leave a like, and if you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.